Okay, Sandwich Dad here. Again, only 5 left to go on the Encyclopedia of Sandwiches, so I'm going to take a break today. And I'm going to make something stupid, like a ramen grilled cheese. I use the cheap mee goreng hot and spicy noodles, an egg, some leftover corn, sausage and green onion, a bit of cilantro, some white bread, and I don't know, Swiss cheese, I guess. First we'll put the egg in our egg cooker. Get that going. Then we'll boil some water. The sun is directly on my thermometer, I assure you it's not 20 degrees outside. Toss your nudes in the water. Empty your spice packets in a bowl. Pour some boiling water on, stir it up. Then dress your noodles. The horrible sound says the egg is ready. Butter your bread, throw it in the pan when we figure out how to build this thing. Alright, sausage and onions on one side, cilantro and corn on the other. Then we'll add the ramen and our soft-boiled egg. Combine, remove from heat, cut vertically, admire your creation, and enjoy. It's good. This is Simon and Garfunkel. Good day.